Hello friends, welcome to first video of Basics of Stock Market series. You must have heard both the terms stock market and share market. Is there any difference in stock and share? For all purposes, stock and share refers to ownership. So both the terms helps in determining the small part of ownership in a company or companies. Both stock and share are used interchangeably. Henceforth, I will be using both the terms. Share market is the aggregation of buyers and sellers of stocks which represent ownership of a company. It is a place where initial issuance of shares of publicly held companies and trading, that is buying and selling of stock, takes place. It is a place which provides many opportunities for an individual to grow their wealth. By issuing shares to investor, the company aims to collect the funds for its business needs. When investor purchases these shares, they become part of companies. Stock market runs because of fluctuations in the price of stocks. This fluctuation happens because of changes in demand and supply of the stock. Stock market is divided into primary and secondary stock market. To understand how stock market works, we need to understand primary and secondary stock market. Primary share market is a place where securities are created. Securities are any financial instruments or assets that can be traded on stock exchange. When a company decides to go to public, that is to get listed on stock exchange, it issues shares to public through IPO, that is initial public offering. We will see IPO in detail in a separate video. Here, investors can apply to IPO through their trading account. This period is called as subscription period. After the end of subscription period, company allots the shares to subscriber randomly. After this, shares get listed on stock exchange. After listing of share on stock exchange, the shareholders can sell their shares in secondary market. Secondary share market is also called as aftermarket or follow-on public offering. In secondary market, investors and traders can buy and sell stocks which are previously listed on stock exchanges. Demand and supply is the backbone of stock exchange. Here, prices of share changes based on the fluctuation in the demand and supply of that particular share. When demand of stock get increase and supply becomes low, then price of that share get increase. And when supply of stock increases and demand becomes low, then price of that particular share gets fall. When the price of share is getting increased, we can say that that share is in uptrend, and when the price of share is getting falling down, we can say that that share is in downtrend. We have to understand demand and supply very deeply, as it is the base of technical analysis, and will require technical analysis for long-term investment as well as for short-term investment. Stock exchange is a place where stockbrokers, investors and traders can buy and sell securities such as stocks, bonds, derivatives and other financial instruments. I am mentioning few of the stock exchanges from rest of the world. New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, London Stock Exchange, Singapore Exchange. There are two stock exchanges in India, Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange of India. Bombay Stock Exchange. It is established in the year 1875. It is located in Mumbai. It is the oldest stock exchange in Asia and also 10th oldest in the world. There are around more than 5,000 companies listed on Bombay Stock Exchange. National Stock Exchange of India. It is founded in the year 1992. It is located in Mumbai. There are more than 2,000 companies listed on National Stock Exchange. Both the exchanges are regulated by SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India, which was founded in the year 1992 after the famous scam of Harshad Mehta. SEBI aims to regulate all the players in Indian stock market and to regulate any irregularities. Stockbrokers are intermediates between markets, that is exchanges, and the investing public, that is investors. Stockbroker takes order from customers and try to fill them at best possible prices. In return, they earn fees known as commission. Stockbroker executes order in the market on behalf of clients. In India, there are many SEBI approved stockbrokers: Zerodha, Upstock, Angel Broking, IIFL, Sharekhan. These are few amongst them. Zerodha is the topmost stockbroker among all brokers in India since the year 2019 by the number of active clients. Stock market provides platform for companies to raise capital for their business growth. It offers short-term profit to traders. Also, it offers slice of ownership of one or more companies to investors. Long-term investment can create wealth. Dividend income, capital growth, and share buyback. These are ways of stock market to gain by long-term investment. Dividend is the profit given by company to its shareholder. More the share you have, more dividend you will get. Not all companies offer dividends. One should invest in those companies which are fundamentally strong, so they will perform well and those companies will offer good dividend. Capital growth can be achieved by investing in stocks of companies which are fundamentally strong and by holding it for longer duration of time like 10 to 15 years. Over the period, share price increases and one can earn money by rise in the share price. In share buyback, any company can repurchase its shares from its shareholder by offering higher price than the market price. Friends, this is for today's video. In upcoming videos, I will be explaining more on basics of stock market. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Steps to Profit.